Prioress Sindel served as the Ministress of the Temple of the Emperor Ascendant during the Third War for Armageddon. A veteran of the Adeptus Sororitas, it is unknown which campaign Sindel had fought prior to her appointment to lead the Order of the Argent Shroud within the temple, though it is a feat for any mortal warrior to wage war and survive to old age. Yet Sindel would once again don her power armor and bolter in the defense of her temple, and by extension, some of the last remnants of Hive Hellsreach. Anointing Reclusiarch Merrick Grimaldus of the Black Templars with the Waters of Elucidation, Sindel would provide shelter to Squad Grimaldus in the hours leading up to their final stand against the Orc hordes. Taking command of the overall defense of the temple alongside the fledgling forces of the Steel Legion and Astartes, Sindel would stand defiant with her fellow Sisters of Battle in combating the onslaught of Orcs, demonstrating her skill at arms as the survivors fell back into the interior of the temple. Sindel would die in the thickest of the battle line, refusing to allow the Greenskins to defile the Temple of the Emperor Ascendant until her last breath.